Quick little video on what this thing called. Uplander Chevrolet. I don't know. It's our local dealer. It's got Chevy. That's what I kind of stick with them. Chevy here, Jeep here. Well, wife's gone. She's got a Ford, a new one, 2014 Expedition. Anyway, I got tired of, after owning one Tahoe and 2 Suburbans, got kind of tired of that whole deal, and in order to go to the newer body style, it was just, even the 14, it was just absolutely nuts as far as what they wanted for them. So we went with the Expedition this time around, limited. I think it's a nicer vehicle, but quieter. Doesn't get as good as gas mileage, but it's off by about 1 or 2 miles per gallon. But kind of put up with that if price of gas keeps coming down. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to show you this little Uplander thing here. Yes, it is a 110 volt outlet. Kind of nice. I'll be able to charge my batteries on the way if I forget to do it overnight. So that's kind of a nice deal. Got my DeWalt system in here. I don't have my what do you call it, my cart with me. I figure if I need something, I just come out here and get it. So yeah, the hitch I got to return to my daughter, son-in-law, on my level. Anyway, there you go. Just thought I'd show you this little 110 volt outlet here. See what happens on the way here. If it says it takes 50 watts, the charger does, but I'm not exactly sure. I haven't read the thing to see what the output is, but hey, it's enough of that. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.